Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video where we spark hearts, spark joy, and speak life. Now, if this is your first time watching any of my videos, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, and I am the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. And you can visit my Etsy shop at any time and see all the beautiful creations that I have there. So let's get started. Now today I am super excited to show you guys a great freebie that is on the creative market right now, and also some brand new stickers that I've created in my Etsy shop. So let's get started. So first things first, let's go into Safari and head over to creativemarket.com. So where I get the freebies are at the very top. It says get inspired. When you click on that, you go to the side and see free goods. So you're going to click on that and it's going to send you to the freebie page. Now you get new freebies every single week. And what I'm most excited about is this map creator, which has 550 icons and images. Like, amazing. I had to share this. As soon as I saw this, I was like, yes, you guys got to see this. Now, it has beautiful images for your wedding, which honestly makes me want to redo my entire wedding planner, but in digital format. So yes, I'm definitely thinking about that. Please let me know down in the comments if you'd be interested in watching a video where I recreate my entire wedding planner from paper format to digital format. Leave a comment and like this video. That'll show me that you're really interested, and I'll create that content for you guys. So as I'm scrolling, you see all the images here. It's like a countless number. Like, I cannot believe how many things that you get for free. You have landmarks, you have food, you have botanicals, you have maps, you have timeline. It's just so many different things. Guys, you have to get it. I will link it down in the description box below. Please visit Creative Market and get your hands on this. It will only be available for this week only. So what you do is you click on download, and as you see, another screen pops up. And you're going to click on that download, and it's going to download at the very top into your files folder. Once it's done, you're going to go to your files folder and click on recents at the very top. It should be that first zip file that you see. So just make sure that it downloads completely, all the images. It might take a few minutes because it is a lot. So while that's taking its sweet time to download into my files folder, I'm going to take a look with you in my summer sticker kit. Now this sticker kit is now available in my Etsy shop, and you will find the link down below in the description. It has beautiful, gorgeous, realistic images that you can add to any scrapbook, any of your journaling, or any digital planner. This will also go great in any vision boards that you may have for the summer or any bucket lists. It is really going to be great for summertime, so definitely check it out. Okay, so let's head back to our download. Once you get there, click on the zip file and it's going to extract into a folder. So what you want to do is move it into whatever place that you want it to go in. Just be aware that it's going to take a long time, just as it did to download into the iCloud folder. It's going to take an even longer time to copy into any other folders that you want to organize your stickers in. So I usually put all my images and stickers into one sticker folder, as you see here, and it's going to take quite a bit of time to put all the stickers in. So let's just fast forward. All right, 3 minutes into the future and everything has been downloaded. So I'm just gonna check and make sure that it's there, and it is. So I'm gonna go back into the downloads folder and just delete everything because it will take up space on my iPad. So I just wanna make sure that I reduce the clutter, and I'm going to just go into my recently deleted and delete everything that's in there also while I'm at it. Poof, everything's gone. Now let's get into the fun stuff. So in the folder, you see there's different and separate folders that have a PNG file. These are the files that I'm going to be using in my digital planner. I got a lot of questions last week on how I let my files folder slide in from the side while I'm using GoodNotes. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. First, open your GoodNotes app. You can open it into a notebook, a planner, doesn't matter, just open it up. And from the bottom, we are going to slide up. You see that little black bar? Slide up and look for your files folder. Now mine was already in the dock. So with your Apple Pencil, hold onto it and drag it up to the screen when it creates this window. Mine has two because I had two files folders up, but I'm just choosing which one I want. But yes, it'll just pop up right on the screen just like this. At the bottom, there's another black bar, and if you slide up on that, you can see all the different things that you have hidden in this sidebar. Now, another really cool thing that you can do using that black bar at the bottom is slide it to the side, and it switches to your different apps. So depending on how many that you had in that little sidebar, you can just switch and switch until you get to the one that you want. So that's pretty cool. I hope you find this tip really helpful, and I hope that you guys are able to do this as well. Let me know if you have success doing it, and if not, comment down below and I'll try to help you. Okay, so now I'm just browsing through the different folders, and it is amazing, you guys. I cannot stress this enough. You have to get your hands on this freebie. They have different countries, there's lined and there's also colored drawings, so that's really nice. If you have Australia, you can get that line drawing of Australia, or you can get the green drawing. So right here I'm just taking Hawaii, and this one's colored in, and this part of Hawaii is just an outline. So I really love that you have options of what you want to use. So this is great for a traveling journal, your regular journal, anything like that. I think this is super cute. This freebie also comes with the different states in the United States. So if you have a bucket list where you want to reach every single state of the US, this is really great for you because you're able to pick every single state, or you can take the map as a whole. There's also so many options, you guys. There's food, there's wedding, there's hiking, there's camping. There's just so many different icons and images that you can use in your journaling. You can even put them on top of your map to show what you did and where you did them. You can write down the places that you've seen, the cities that you went to. For example, if I'm going to Orlando, Florida, I can actually pinpoint where it is on that map and put the different activities that I did in Florida. So this is just a really awesome way to track your traveling. So this is a A1 freebie. You must have this. Okay, so right now I'm just placing some stickers and just going to show you how you can use them. I'm just going to take the state of Florida and just add a whole bunch of pictures to it, things that remind me of the tropics. And honestly, guys, I need a vacation. I cannot wait for summer so I can have a proper vacation. What about you guys? Comment down below if you want to go on vacation this summer and where you're going or where you think you're going. Of course, you know, stay safe, keep safe, you guys, but I need a vacation. What about you? I know spring just started, but I have the summer vibes. Like, I'm ready for summer. So this sticker kit that I've created, Summertime Sticker Kit, is just for people who want to enjoy their summer, go on vacation and report everything that they did, and just do scrapbooking, do journaling, relax by the beach, draw, whatever it is. Like, this sticker kit is for you. There's so many different options. There's backgrounds, there's beautiful pictures, beautiful images that you can use to really present all the things that you've done for the summer. So definitely get your hands on this. I know it's just spring, but summer is around the corner. So speaking of scrapbooking, I love using the digital washi tape. So I'm gonna make my own washi tape by just using the freehand tool and cropping out a little bit of that image using the freehand tool, as you can see. So just to make it look like washi tape. And all you do is put your pictures underneath it, and you have the little washi tape at the side like that. So I'm going to show you a different way that I did it. Towards the end of the video, you'll see that. But for now, I'm just going to continue to add more stickers until I feel like it's giving me the summer vibes. Okay, since the pandemic, I have not been anywhere to any vacation or anything like that. So I'm just going to use old pictures of when I went to vacation one day, just to show you guys how the stickers would look with your pictures. So you can, of course, crop the stickers to how you like. I like to use the freehand tool so that it's not too square and boxed off. So I do like to use the freehand tool to kind of cut around the picture and stack all my stickers, all my images to really make it look like a vision board of summertime vibes. Okay, so here's how I show you how to make this sticker, for example, into washi tape. So you're going to make sure in the freehand tool and just make some little zigzags at the ends and just go around it. And you can see that those little jagged edges really make it feel like it's washi tape. So you can do this with squares, any sort of PNG image that you have already as a sticker. It can be a sticky note, it can be whatever. All you just do is make those little zigzag edges and you got washi tape. That's pretty much it for this video, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. Make sure that you like this video so it shows up in other people's feed, subscribe to my channel, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!